7 people hurt in a crash involving a semi-truck driver who had been drinking, according to police, received $9.5 million as part of a legal settlement. The lawyer in the case tells KENS 5 that this big rig driver should have never had a commercial driver's license. James Munoz is live in Jourdanton with more on the story. James?
Jeff, some roads in the Eagleford Shale are seeing a year's worth of traffic in 90 days. There are more crashes and some with long-lasting consequences.
We're talking about a family that's sitting in their car at a stoplight on their way to a child's soccer game.
The Olachia family of 6 never made it to that game in Victoria. In March of 2012, they were rear-ended by a semi-truck driven by 56-year-old Johnny Raymond Rodriguez. Everyone in the family was hurt.
Where back surgeries, neck surgeries had to take place. Other back and neck surgeries are in the future for many of these folks.
The police report says Rodriguez was reckless and speeding. His blood alcohol level 3 hours after the crash registered at .07. The family's attorney, Wright, says Rodriguez was over his allowable hours that day and should have never had a commercial driver's license. Wright tells KENS 5 Rodriguez had several previous DWIs.
And no repercussions to him at all. He's still driving, he still has a commercial license, even though you're prohibited from having one after you have 2 DWI convictions. This guy has 5.
Collisions are way up in the region because of oil exploration in the Eagleford Shale. DPS says it's increasing the number of troopers in counties in the shale to ensure semi-truck drivers put safety first.
The equipment itself, the driver himself, the number of hours he's performed, we take close look at the vehicles, so safety is the most important.
The number of trucks on the highway has increased to a degree that traffic law enforcement can't even keep up.
Now, criminally, Rodriguez pled guilty to charges of reckless driving. His attorney had no comment, but Wyatt Wright tells us Rodriguez is still operating a big rig on the roads of South Texas. Reporting live in Atascosa County, James Munoz, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
And now to an I-Team update. A local judge